So to replace the air filter on these 07 to 13 Silverados and Sierras, you're just going to pop the hood, head over here to the passenger side of the motor, find the air box held on with its 4 Torx T25 screws. Go ahead and loosen or remove those. Extension makes it easy. I'll leave a link. Older one should just pull right out. Good thing we're doing this. Past time, it looks like. Kind of make sure they look the same. Put the rubber part up, it appears, and slide it in. There we go. Make sure it don't get hung up down there in that sketchy corner. Looks good. Zipper back up. Don't need much torque at all. It's that easy. Make sure it seals good. You don't want dirt in your motor. Important to do that more often than that.